I'm in my garden, vegetable garden. Those are carrots. I let them grow since last September. So now it's February, and this is the best way to store carrots. See? That's a short one. So today I will have fresh carrot salad. Look at this. Wonderful. Another one. Yeah, there's weed. Who cares? Who cares? I take it out after I took all the carrots out. They are slender, they are not thick. That was a variety that doesn't grow very big, but they are not the actual size that they could get in regard to the thickness. This is more like it in comparison to this one. See? Another thick one. Beautiful. Another one. Oh, look at this. Yeah, I didn't thin them out. Once I sowed them, they grow very close to each other, and usually I take some plants out so the rest can grow bigger. Or what? Ah, look at this. Well, I can eat this raw. Just wash it off and eat it. So now I will take off the green foliage and I'll just cut it off here, and then I will wash them inside, and then I will make a carrot salad. See, I had more here. I took them out. So this is the foliage from the carrots I took out about a couple of weeks ago. Let's see what's going on here. That's not bad. See, they grow very close to each other. It's a lot of work to thin them out. So once in a while I go into my garden, and then after I sowed them and the foliage comes out, starts growing, then I thin some out and leave the rest. Doesn't really matter. See, they grow close to each other, and then they can't grow very big or they get tangled. Okay, do you think that's enough for my carrot salad? Leave a comment if you grow carrots, or which kind of carrots you grow, and if you leave them over winter or not in the dirt. So now I'm washing my carrots. I do this in the sink under running water. Then I create the dressing with olive oil, vinegar, salt, freshly grated pepper. I mix it all up. Then I peel the carrot. Then I cut off both ends of the carrots. Then I grate them, sometimes by hand, or I use the machine. That goes faster. If I have a large amount, I use the machine. Then I add some parsley. I always have parsley in my freezer. I grow it in my vegetable garden. And then I harvest a large amount and cut it all up and freeze it so you can still see it's frozen. Then I add some walnuts. I just cut them up in little pieces and add them to the salad. Then I just mix up salad to integrate the parsley and the walnuts. And sometimes I add some raisins.